Out in the forest, brown creepers chatted, but to the tree I wanted to listen. This tree stood tall, kissing the sun that peered through the leaves. With a gentle heat, sun rays greeted me. But the tree remained quiet. Soon I said my farewell and felt its wrinkly bark. Leaning on it, I sensed myself, silent and compact, stable and steady. I must make myself like a tree too, immovable by anxiety, standing tall like no one mattered, reaching up to the skies as if it's the only direction there is. I think the tree spoke to me. Erect stands proud, but bends to a wisdom. Winter comes, the cold slows down its process, yet it doesn't fight, though death lies beneath the snow. In springtime flowers open, petals cannot withhold their blooming. No argument can stop a fragrance from calling the birds and the bees in courtship. Summer wind dehydrates, leaves and branches wither and droop, curling without whining, resigned to their destiny, enriching the ground where humanity stands. Then fall arrives. Leaves don't cling to its branches. They surrender to the wind to give way for new leaves to shoot. Then at last, a tree bears fruits, the climax of its long standing, and pleasures a man, hungry and in need of shade. Then I wonder, what is the meaning of life? I remembered the tree and grieved.